Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make lace painted mason jars. I think these jars are so beautiful and definitely work well for Valentine and spring decoration and decor. I hope you enjoy this video.
So for this DIY, you'll need a few different supplies. The first is a thicker lace, some mason jars, any color spray paint that you want to use. I really like the white spray paint, scissors, and a glue gun. So I attach my lace with the middle of my lace strip over the front of that ball mason piece, so I know that I'll see that. And then I just hot glue these pieces on the back of the jar. I put some hot glue down first so that I can attach the lace. And then some more hot glue. So you can add lace on top of the other lace. And this is just a low temp glue gun. Temperature doesn't bother me much. I know some people really don't like it. So once you have the lace on your mason jar and you're ready to spray paint it, I have this whole little operation going on with a sawhorse, but you don't have to do that. You can really easily just use the end of a broom for this DIY, but for the sake of making it easier for me, since I do have this at my disposal, I am going to use this. So you want to keep your can about a foot away and spray your mason jar until you see the white coming up on the clear parts of the jar. Just be careful not to overspray, especially on the lace, or your lace pattern will not show up as well. And you want to make sure that you're spraying consistently around your jar so it's the same color all around it. And with the larger mason jars, just be careful that that second piece of lace is exactly where you want it on your jar before you start spray painting. So these jars are our end product. I think they turned out really, really well, and I just love that lace look on them and the fact that it's not completely spray painted. If you do like that completely spray painted look, those are also really cute, but I just love the way that it's broken up with the lace on there. So this is just an example of what the end product looks like. You can still see in the mason jar a little bit, but you can definitely still see the lace pattern. If you like this video and you're interested in seeing more DIY and easy home decor videos, I hope you consider subscribing. Thanks y'all, bye.